Hi, Julian.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's.
This is Julian. Two cheeseburger and one dalawang cheeseburger
Dalawang cheeseburger.
and one coffee float.
One coffee. Is it large?
Regular lang. Two cheeseburger and one coffee float. Thank you.
Tama na yung po sa screen.
Tama na. Thank you.
Tama na to. Thank you.